Today's topic is human ear. Human ear. The ears are the sense organs which helps us in hearing sound. It allows us to convert pressure variation in air with audible frequencies into electrical signal which travels to the brain via auditory nerve. Structure of human ear. The picture shows the structure of human ear. It consists of three parts: outer part, middle part, and inner part. Outer part consists pinna, ear canal, and eardrum. Middle part consists of three tiny bones: hammer, anvil, stirrup. And inner ear consists of oval window, cochlea, and auditory nerves which goes into the brain. The human ear consists of three compartments: outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. Now, outer ear, the part of ear which we see outside the head, is outer ear. It consists of a broad part, pinna, and about 3 cm long passage, ear canal. At the end of ear canal, a thin, elastic, and circular membrane, eardrum, is present, which is also called tympanum or tympanic membrane. Middle ear. The middle ear consists three tiny bones: hammer, anvil, and stirrup, which is linked to one another. One end of hammer is touching the eardrum and the free end of stirrup is touched to oval window of inner part. The lower part of middle ear has a narrow tube called Eustachian tube going to the throat. It ensures that air pressure inside the middle ear is the same as that on the outside. Inner ear. Inner ear has a coiled tube called cochlea. One side is connected to middle ear through elastic membrane over the oval window. A liquid is filled in cochlea which contains nerve cells that are sensitive to sound. The other side of cochlea is connected to auditory nerve going into the brain. Working of human ear. The sound waves are collected by pinna of outer part of ear. These sound waves pass through the ear canal and fall on the eardrum. The eardrum starts vibrating back and forth rapidly. It causes the three tiny bones to vibrate. The vibrating stirrup strikes on the membrane of oval window and passed the amplified vibrations to the liquid in cochlea. The vibrating liquid of cochlea sets up electrical impulses in the nerve cell present in it. These electrical impulses are carried by auditory nerve to the brain, which interprets it as sound, and we get the sensation of hearing.